ready for the bike ride, huh? Got a little basket and I got this to block the wind for when he wants to squat down, and then got a cushion down there. Y'all ready? Oh, thanks. Water in his little cup so he can drink.
And Josh has refilled water.
Whee! Huh? I don't care. I don't really want to go on the bridge. It's fun. He loves bike rides. It's his favorite. Bike ride. Me, Joseph, and Josh. Joey gets mad when we stop. Sometimes he'll throw a fit because he wants to keep going. Huh, Joseph?
What are you doing?
Oh, Josh left us. We gotta turn around. Actually, we'll stay here. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? And go. It's a little windy out, so I'm sorry about that, but we're all good. Josh is all the way back there talking to someone, I don't know. So me and Joey are just waiting. You're getting irritated? You want to keep going, huh? You want to keep going, huh? Yes. There he is. Stop before a water break.
That's so dumb. The dog is drinking out of a cup.
He's precious.
Ooh, let's ride in there.
Huh?
Let's go in there. Even though it's got no trespassing signs. I guess there's big sinkholes. Used to be an old factory. Fall through like 2 stories, I guess, underground. Yeah, I got yelled at going there before.
Let's go see what Josh is up to, huh, love bug? He's been working on this mower all day and night. It's what, 9 o'clock at night? Yeah, 9 o'clock at night. He's been working on it all morning and all night. Oh, heck no, I ain't dying. What the heck? I like your lawnmower, babe.
I forgot to hit the gas pedal.
She thinks my tractor's sexy. I'm over here dying. I hate the smell of gas and oh, I hate mosquitoes. They love me though. I freaking get bit up non-stop. Oh, big yawn for the little baby. Really went far. Oh my gosh. How you feel, babe?
I feel great. Dude, it was going though. I had to figure out what that happened. The belt came off. Alright, let's give her another whirl. Dude, we were cruising.
Yeah, you went like 1 foot.
I know the problem is.
What? That it sucks?
No, I need to.
And action. Oh my gosh, these bugs.
6 inches.
Oh my gosh, I can't. He's gonna like crash. Yeah? Joy's shivering. He's freaking out. That thing was loud.
Dude.
What was the, you don't even have brakes, do you?
No, not yet.
Oh my
Dude, I'm
gosh.
flying though.
He said he had it on 2 wheels yesterday, last night.
Oh my lord, look at this. It has no
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.